So today's topic in this lecture is about drug approval process in Europe. We are going to learn about the drug approval process in Europe. So medicinal products are widely regulated in Europe to safeguard our public health and to facilitate the access of European patients to innovative drugs. The types of new medicinal product investigation conducted by pharmaceutical companies are also regulated, and they actually include pharmaceutical preclinical and clinical tests. Thus, therefore, what happens is that the pharmaceutical legislation of the European Union has consistently produced the twin objective, that is protection of public health and free movement of medicinal product. This is what is the agenda of the pharmaceutical legislation. However, there would also be a regulatory agency which would help in the approval process of the drugs all around European countries. Just like America has FDA, US FDA, India has CDSCO, Japan has PDMA, Australia has TGA, and so many other countries have their own regulatory bodies through which the drug approval, any new drug who wants to launch a product, wants to launch their product and market that product in the USA, has to go through the guidelines set by the countries. Just like that, Europe has a regulatory agency too, and that is known as European Medicine Agency. It was established or formed in 1995, and it's headquartered in London, England. So it's an agency of the whole European Union. Wherever you will read about this, they always talk about the word European Union. So let's look at it. What do they mean by European Union? So it's a supranational political and economic union of 27 member states located primarily in Europe. So those countries include Germany, France, Spain, Italy, etc. And what actually they are charged of evaluation and supervision of pharmaceutical products. So prior to 2004, it was known as European Agency for the Evaluation of Medicinal Products, or of European Medicine Evaluation Agency, EMEA, prior to 2004. Now it is known as European Medicine Agency, as simple as that. So the committee formed for the medicinal product for human use under this was so a single evaluation is carried out for medicinal product for human use का evaluation किसके द्वारा किया जाता है? Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use, Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use, so CHMP. I know that is the short form, CHMP, Committee for Human Medicinal Products भी कहते हैं, then that is a Committee for Human Medicinal Products भी कहा जाता था, इसलिए उसका short form है CHMP. So Committee for Medicinal Product for Human Use में क्या होता था basically? If the committee concludes that the quality, पहले नंबर पे quality, second पे safety, and third is efficacy. So if the quality, safety and efficacy of the medicinal product under investigation or that has been sent for approval is sufficiently proven, it adopts a positive opinion. तो इनके नज़र में वो एक positive opinion बन जाता था, if only when the quality, safety and efficacy is proven. And then क्योंकि यहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा ना कि it is a single evaluation. So why they said this? Because then after their evaluation and positive opinion is formed in a way they have explained in their line, that is sufficient scientifically, if it is proven that the quality, safety and efficacy is maintained in the medicinal product, it is then sent to the European Commission to be transformed into a market authorization valid for the whole EU. तो जो CHMP है, Committee for Medicinal Product for Human Use, वो केवल evaluate करती है, it evaluates only, and then this is sent to the European Commission, so for its authorization to be used by the whole EU. So the EMA uses various type of procedures, but what happens is applications are made directly to the EMA and evaluated by the scientific committee for ह्यूमन मेडिसिनल प्रोडक्ट CHMP। तो आपने तो EMA को एप्लीकेशन दे दी, EMA के अंदर एक साइंटिफिक कमेटी रहती है, अलग अलग टाइप की कमिटीज़ रहती है। फॉर वेटनरी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए अलग रहती है, पीडियाट्रिक के लिए अलग रहती है, वैसे ह्यूमंस के लिए होती है कमिटी फॉर मेडिसिनल प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर ह्यूमंस। तो CHMP, ये CHMP क्या करती है, विच इज कंपोज ऑफ सीनियर असेसर्स नॉमिनेटेड बाय मेंबर स्टेट्स एंड अ नेटवर्क ऑफ ओवर 3,500 एक्सपर्ट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द CHMP रिपोर्ट। वट एवर CHMP रिपोर्ट is generated, we are considering a scenario after evaluation only, obviously, that it's a positive outcome, then CHMP report के basis पे ही, on the basis of CHMP report, the European Commission makes its decision. It makes a decision whether to grant the community market authorization. Grant what? Community marketing authorization. Okay, that is the drug be authorized to market in the whole European Union, that is all the 27 countries. So this is what is a little bit flow of what actually happens. So CHMP का काम केवल evaluate करने का है, वो final decision नहीं दे सकती. It can give an opinion कि आप ऐसा कर लो या ऐसा मत करो. European Commission is the one that makes a decision, or that is what is the language given here is transformed into a market authorization valid for the whole EU. So CHMP obliged to reach decision within 210 days. आपने उनको application दी, तो that is their responsibility to give a decision within 210 days if all the data is as per regulation. If the data is not as per their regulation, then the number of days can exceed in back and fro communication. That is not included in this 210 days. Now EMA uses various type of procedures for authorizing a drug. So first is centralized procedure, mutual recognition, and decentralized procedure. Similarly, the drug approval process in European countries also accomplished in 2 phases: clinical trials and marketing authorization. तो पहले ह्यूमन क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स होगा, phase 1 बिगेन होगा, phase 3 तक, फिर उसको उस कंट्री के यहाँ लॉन्च करने के लिए, मार्केट करने के पहले मार्केट ऑथराइजेशन होगा. So this is IND and this is NDA, but NDA is the term used by USA and all. In Europe they use the word market authorization. Application. So a clinical trial application, CTA, clinical trial application short form में उसको लिखा है CTA, is filed. So यहाँ पे इस IND को IND नहीं बोलते, इसको बोलते हैं CTA, because हम अब यूरोप पे आ गए. is filed to competent authority of the state to conduct the clinical trial within EU. So if you want to conduct the human clinical trial within EU, you file the CTA to the competent authority. The competent authority of the member state, out of those 27 member states, evaluate the application, and the clinical trials are conducted only after the approval. सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी कि जब तक अप्रूवल नहीं मिलेगा आप परफॉर्म भी नहीं कर पाओगे क्लिनिकल ट्रायल. द पर्पस इन फेसेस ऑफ क्लिनिकल ट्रायल आर सिमिलर एज स्पेसिफाइड इन अ ड्रग अप्रूवल इन एवरी ड्रग अप्रूवल प्रोसेस. ओके, दैट इज ये मतलब ये जो चीज़ होगी क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में, दैट इज यूनिवर्सल. Minute details will be left and right there. That all depends on the type of trial taking place. What, you know, the minute details are obviously, you know, same clinical trial, but majority, like if I talk in a broad sense, then the whole process is universal. That phase 1 will be conducted, phase 2, phase 3. That is what they are trying to say. After completion of all 3 phases of clinical trial, market authorization application, MAA. Instead of NDA, they say it MAA. Market authorization application is filed, including all animal and human data. Its analysis as well as pharmacokinetics, manufacturing, and proposed labeling is also submitted. A sponsor has several options when seeking approval to market a new drug. So he can seek for a national authorization procedure. he can seek for a decentralized procedure, he can seek for a mutual recognition procedure, and he can seek for a centralized procedure. So mainly this 2, 3 and 4, these are the mainly top 3 types of procedures by which you can go forward with your application, how you wanna pursue mutual recognition. Now we'll study in the coming lectures about national authorization, decentralized one, mutual recognition one, and a centralized procedure. So which we will all study this in, starting with national authorization procedure will be studied in part 2. Till then, please like, share, subscribe, help me grow as a channel. All this content is for free, the subscription is for free. Otherwise, to study all these, people take somewhere around 20,000 to 60,000 for courses. I'm teaching you for free, so the least you can do is share and subscribe. That way I'll understand that my content is appreciated. Thank you. Have a nice day.